So here is how you connect this mini camera to your phone. There's the on button here. Okay, so right now it's on. If you take it this other way, if you move it to the right, it will be off. But if you take it to the left area, then it's on. Then you allow the camera to boot up. Okay, the camera is going to say a couple of things, right? That's the booting process. So you let it speak finish, then it's ready to be connected. Now you go to your phone, make sure you download the app. The name of the app is V380 Pro. This is the app right here, V380 Pro. As you can see the name here, that's it right there. So once you download the app and you open it, it's going to bring you to this screen where you're going to register on the app, right? Since you're a new user, you register. So you click register here. You select a country or region, then you select Africa, then you put in your email. Okay, if you put in an email, it's going to send you a code to your email. Okay, so I've already set up my own app, so I don't need to put in my email and click next. But once you put in your email, it's going to tell you to click next, and you continue the setup until you've registered. Okay, it's going to send a code to your email. You just follow the prompt. It's very simple to understand. Just click next and it will direct you on what to do. But since I have the app already and I've registered, I'll just click on login, and I'll log in using my password. Okay, and then you click on login here. This is how the app interface looks. Okay, so this is your camera. Now this camera has two ways it can be connected to your phone. The first way, when it connects to your phone, you can only use it within close range. Okay, so only, let's say you're close to the camera or you're just around the camera, you'll be able to view using your phone. The second way is when you connect it to a Wi-Fi router. Okay, you know those devices used to browse. I don't know if there's one here, but those little Wi-Fi devices that you either get from MTN or Airtel, even the big ones can work as well, and any network of your choice. As far as it's a Wi-Fi router, it can work with this camera. Now once this camera is connected to a Wi-Fi router, you'll be able to view it from anywhere you are in the world, even if you travel out of the country or you go to another state. As far as the camera is connected to the Wi-Fi router, wherever it is kept on your phone, you can use your normal data, right? The normal phone data, like mobile data. You don't even need to connect to the Wi-Fi. You can use your data and you'll be able to view the camera. So let me show you the first connection here. So to do the first connection, which means you have to be close to your phone to use it, let me show you. Come over here, go to your phone settings, your Wi-Fi settings on your phone, right? Like you want to connect to a Wi-Fi router, you'll see the camera's name showing here. That is MV7672. Your own is going to have another serial number, but the starting is always going to be MV. Okay, so that's how you know it's going to be MV. That's the camera there. Then you click on it here. It's going to say obtaining IP address. To say connected to, to say connected to device, can't provide internet, but that is fine. That's what it's going to show you, right? Then the next thing you're going to do is you come back to the app, which is the V380 Pro app. Once you come back to the app, you refresh your app like this, you drag it down, and it's going to find the device, which is this device here. Okay, as far as you're connected to it in your Wi-Fi settings area, and you come to your app and you refresh, this is going to be the camera showing here, your device. So the phone has found your device. So you click on add device here, and the device is added already. As you can see, it says new addition. Then you go ahead and click here. It's going to ask you to put in a password. Okay, this password is the password for your camera. So your camera is going to be safe. Nobody can easily access your camera. So you put a password you can remember, and then you click on confirm. Boom, the camera has connected, and you can view what the camera is seeing on the phone. As you can see, let me point it to this phone. Can you see? Let me point it to the flower. That's it right there. Let's point it up. Can you see? So right now the camera has been connected to the phone, so you can see what's going on. But this only works in close range right now. Okay, but you can connect this camera to a Wi-Fi router so you can see at far locations. Okay, so let me show you what to do now. So now that your camera is connected to the phone, but it can only be viewed in close range, here's how you make the camera to be viewed even if you go out of the country or you go out of the states. Okay, so you need a Wi-Fi router, like I mentioned earlier. Those devices used to browse. Okay, now what you need to do is you come back to this, you go back here. Okay, click on this button here, those three dots there, and then you click on settings. All right, once you're in the settings, click on network here. Okay, then you click on Wi-Fi station mode. Can you see? It's in AP hotspot mode, which is only close range. Then you click on Wi-Fi station mode. You select a Wi-Fi. Okay, you select a Wi-Fi router. Now, even if you don't have a Wi-Fi router per se, you can use your second phone as a hotspot. So if you have a second phone, you turn on your second phone hotspot, and it will be detected on this phone here, right? Then you can select it as a Wi-Fi. Okay, but if you don't have a second phone, then you need to have a Wi-Fi router. Okay, then you go ahead and select your Wi-Fi here, and make sure the password of the Wi-Fi is correct. Then you click on save here. It says Wi-Fi connecting, as you can see. So you let it connect, then you click on it again. So once it's done, you give it some time to connect. Okay, now the camera is connected to the Wi-Fi router. Okay, there's a Wi-Fi router in the house, and this camera is connected to it. So even if I go away with my phone, like I travel out, go to another state, as far as this camera is connected to the Wi-Fi in the house here, I can still see what's going on this phone from anywhere I am. Okay, it can record the videos, store the videos. There's a memory card slot here. You will get a memory card for it and put a memory card inside, which is where the videos will be stored. As you can see, this camera is now connected to this phone via the Wi-Fi router, and I can see it from anywhere I am. You can even speak from this camera. So if you hold this button, you can talk from your phone and it comes out of the speaker of this camera. If you hold it here, it comes out from the speaker, right? This camera is awesome. So that's how you connect this camera to your phone. Like I say, it has two methods, and I've shown you those two methods in this video. So guys, this video is going to help you connect your camera to your phone when you get it. Thank you for watching.